Hey there! Are you ready to beat your cravings this year? I bet you are, and so am I. I prepared for you an amazing program, very simple and easy accessible, that helps you to beat your emotional cravings this year. Now, I have seen with all my clients that often they have issues, weight issues or health issues, and they know that they should eat better and healthier and all that, but actually they have the cravings, they have emotional eating issues, and they just are not able, just to eat healthier because of those cravings. Now, a lot of people think it's due to lack of willpower, and I tell you, it's not. Willpower has nothing to do with it. The only thing what is actually having to do is that you're trying with your cravings to offset an emotional hunger you have, and very often as well you have biochemical root causes or hormonal issues that sit at the base of those cravings. Now, these things are actually very easy to overcome. You just need to know how, and I'm going to teach that during my Beat Your Emotional Cravings course. Now, what we will find out together is that really to identify the emotional hunger and what sits at the root cause, so you can actually do something about it, because once you know what it is, then you can actually work with this. So the cravings are really affecting us in a lot of ways, and that might be that we are tired, have low energy, we have a weight loss resistance as well, we have added fat in our body, low immune system, high inflammation, and so much more. So cravings really sits as a lot of health issues we have. Now, I really help you with my course to identify those cravings and take action so you can improve your health, your energy, and of course your weight as well. Now, during this little course, you will be able to overcome your emotional hunger and identify and address the root causes. We also will replace the craving foods with other foods. Often we have foods that induce more cravings, and by finding them out which they are and then replacing them with better foods that still satisfy ourselves, that really helps. And that is key as well of overcoming cravings. I have prepared for you as well a craving meter. Now, that's something quite fun, where you can find out what sits at the cause of your cravings and what kind of cravings you have. If you don't know that yet, definitely will help you. You see, we are all different. And I really found out that some people have cravings for ice cream or chocolate, some for salty foods, and sometimes have cravings when they're stressed or when they're emotionally down or when they're tired or just bored or so. So we all are different. And by finding out how, what really triggers our cravings, what kind of cravings we have, we are actually, again, able to overcome them. So with my craving meter quiz, you will be able to find that out, and as well it will of course help you to address those cravings. And then I will share with you a meal plan where you learn how to build your own meal plan to help with your cravings. There are some type of foods that are better and that will diminish your cravings. So I will help you to build that meal plan so you can overcome your cravings. To tell you, by the way, I'm Andrea Caprio. I'm the owner and founder of Wellness Methods. I'm a nutrition coach, master transformational nutrition coach and corporate wellness coach as well. I'm a specialist in digestive health, hormonal health, and emotional eating and weight loss specialist as well. So I work a lot with people, especially with entrepreneurs, women entrepreneurs, who have seen that due to health issues or weight issues, they have less productivity and struggle in their business actually to address, to be fully performant, and have struggle in their life because of emotional eating issues. I really see that with most of my clients. It all goes back to cravings, emotional eating issues, and I help them to overcome so they can really live a fulfilled life. If you have any questions, please feel free just to contact me. Otherwise, I see you in the program. Take care. Bye-bye.